Why use a wall primer before painting? Dear friends, is priming before painting really necessary? Why is it recommended by experts even when it adds cost and time to your project? Let's find out that in this video that includes various benefits of priming. Why prime before painting? Let's discuss the advantages of priming. It is not just a useless coat of white paint applied under the colored paint. Some of its benefits are mentioned below. Brings the paint color back to neutral. Helps in blocking out stains and odors. Provides a surface for the paint to stick to. Helps in sealing pores in unpainted surfaces like drywall and wood. Helps in covering imperfections like patched or repaired parts of the wall. Helps in optimizing the surface. Thus, lesser coats of top coat paint are required. Primer actually saves money and time by providing these benefits. It is cheaper than paint and helps in coating the surface and taking care of several issues. Fewer coats of top coat paint and less time are required for the completion of the project once priming is done. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.